That was Sri Lanka at the end of the 1980s. Only 30% of the population had access to electricity. More than half the country was in darkness, having not been covered by the national electricity grid. The problem was particularly acute in rural areas. Fast forward to today. Sri Lanka's national electrification ratio has grown from 29% in 1990 to almost 100% today. Sri Lanka is on a path to 100% renewable energy. The Surya Bala Sangramya initiative by the government has been pushing for increased use of renewables, with many private companies in the country applying for development permits for photovoltaic and solar thermal projects. So now, we really must ask the question, how did renewably sourced electricity in the country go from this to this? In 1987, Sunpower pioneered Sri Lanka's move into the solar power industry. An innovative and passionate group of technology entrepreneurs sourcing top-line technology from around the world to better serve Sri Lanka's growing energy needs and reduce its carbon footprint. When Sunpower's solarization program in Kurunegala went underway, it successfully powered 1,006 households in Pansiagama village, a monumental moment for a country where solar power was virtually non-existent. This was Sri Lanka's first rural electrification initiative in partnership with the NHDA and BP Solar Australia. This then led to the largest solar energy education and healthcare infrastructure development project in the world with NAPS Finland, which made massive breakthroughs in the rural healthcare system. In April 2011, Sunpower initiated Sri Lanka's first grid-connected solar power system in Hambantota. Installed and commissioned in partnership with the Sri Lanka Sustainable Energy Authority and CEB, the Hambantota project was triumphant in installing more than 2,100 panels. We at Sunpower work to deliver renewable energy solutions to diverse fields and sectors in the country, with projects for hospitals, universities and government institutions in various districts. We commissioned the first solar PV project under the Highway Solarization Strategic Initiative to help the authorities to enhance lighting and improve service offerings. Sunpower has installed the largest solar PV system at the University of Sri Jayawardenepura, along with many other government universities in Jaffna, Ruhuna, Paradenia and Moratuwa, equipping them with testing infrastructure funded by the ADB. This puts us as a top choice for the government when it comes to university solarization projects. In partnership with the Ministry of Higher Education, our engineering team initiated and designed a project to convert roofs to host solar panels. The Naivala project was led by our team of dynamic engineers who captured the best of design and production. This was further enhanced with TDD solar tubular daylighting devices in Mattakulya. So far, we have covered over 20 districts from Hambantota to Jaffna in providing energy solutions. Always on the lookout for the latest technology, it is with little wonder that Sunpower is backed by technology partners world recognized in the energy space for their superior quality, reliability and sustainability. Among our partners are Fronius, the market leaders in innovative solar technology represented in over 60 countries. But while solar power is at the heart of what we do, we also have a diverse service offering, which includes a wide range of solutions for the home, industry and public. Sunpower saw the need to step in to protect wildlife and ensure that man and elephant coexist peacefully. By erecting non-lethal high-voltage electric fences which repel intruders without harming them, Sunpower pioneered electric fencing in Sri Lanka, working together with the Gallagher Group of New Zealand. Sunpower and Outokumpu Technology Private Limited of Australia took on an even greater challenge when the National Water Supply and Drainage Board, Ministry of Housing and Plantation Infrastructure of the Government of Sri Lanka, launched the Integrated Water Supply Project for eastern coastal towns in the Ampara district. The project was designed to bring potable, pipe-borne water to almost 75% of the district's population over 10 years. Sunpower and Singapore Telecom worked together to launch Sri Lanka's first private radio station in 1993, then going on to launch the country's first digital GSM mobile telephone network in 1995 together with Telekom Malaysia. Damage of property and loss of life by lightning was a severe problem in Sri Lanka. Sunpower systems led the field in lightning protection and grounding systems. Together with Solar Tube International Incorporated, Sunpower provides Sri Lanka with the only daylighting system of its kind. Solar Tube daylighting systems use breakthrough optical technologies to pipe pure, natural light indoors. Sunpower's team of skilled professionals share the capability to constantly push boundaries and set standards for energy generation and use. With over 2,000 clients and 4,000 installations across several sectors, our aim is to unlock Sri Lanka's potential and harness our strategic position in order to move forward as a country. We continue to be the pioneer in the alternative energy sector in the country, with Sri Lanka's first ever wave energy project with Finland-based AW Energy, ranked #1 globally for this technology. It is estimated that wave energy will cater to 10% of global demand. We have and always will be the pioneers in this field. We are a business of ideas. We are Sunpower.